What if 95% of the universe is completely invisible, and scientists have no idea what it is? Not a theory, not a gap in research, a full-on mystery. And that's just the beginning. Today we're covering 4 of the biggest unsolved mysteries in all of science. These aren't fringe ideas. The world's smartest physicists and astronomers are stumped by them. By the end of this video, you'll see the universe very differently. Let's get into it. Dark matter and dark energy, everything you've ever seen in space, every star, planet, galaxy, makes up just 5% of the universe. The other 95% is called dark matter and dark energy, and we don't know what either one actually is. Dark matter is invisible. It doesn't emit light or absorb it. We only know it exists because galaxies spin in ways that don't make sense without something invisible holding them together. Take it out of the equation, and the math completely falls apart. Dark energy is even stranger. It's a force pushing the entire universe apart, and it's speeding up. Every second, galaxies are flying further away from each other. Something is causing that. We just don't know what. The matter-antimatter mystery. Here's a question that sounds almost too simple. Why does anything exist? When the Big Bang happened, it created equal amounts of matter and antimatter. Problem is, when matter and antimatter meet, they destroy each other completely. If the universe started perfectly balanced, everything should have annihilated in the first second. No stars, no planets, no you, but something went slightly off. Matter won by a tiny, tiny margin. And that margin is literally everything that exists. Every atom in your body is here because of a 1 in a billion imbalance. Scientists still can't fully explain why that imbalance happened. The Fermi Paradox. There are 400 billion stars in our galaxy, 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. The odds of intelligent life existing somewhere else are almost impossibly high. So where is everyone? We've been scanning the skies for decades. Radio signals, laser pulses, anything. Total silence. This is called the Fermi Paradox, and it has no clean answer. Maybe civilizations destroy themselves before they can reach us. Maybe we're the first. Or maybe there's something called the Great Filter, a wall that most intelligent species hit and don't survive. The terrifying part? We don't know if that filter is behind us or still ahead. The fine-tuning problem. The universe runs on constants, numbers like the strength of gravity, the speed of light, the mass of an electron. Change any of them even slightly, and everything breaks. Stars can't form. Atoms fall apart. Life becomes impossible. The universe looks almost perfectly set up for complexity and life to exist. And nobody knows why was it designed. Pure cosmic luck? Are there infinite universes, and we just happen to live in one that works? These are serious questions that serious scientists debate. And right now, no one has a definitive answer. Here's what's wild. These 4 mysteries might not be separate at all. They could be pieces of one enormous question we haven't even learned how to ask yet. Every generation of scientists thought they were close to the final answer. Every single one was wrong. And that's not a failure. That's the most exciting thing about science. The universe keeps getting stranger the deeper we look. Dark matter, antimatter, the great silence, a universe fine-tuned for life. 4 mysteries. 0 answers. And honestly, that's amazing. Drop a comment with the mystery that messed with your head the most. Subscribe if you want more of this every week. And remember, the universe doesn't owe us an explanation. But we're never going to stop asking.